Oh, can you explain in simple terms? It's a game where
It's a game where I used to play
play what?
in
How is
PlayStation.
that game? Is that like
It's the
a
adventure.
of whom?
You get away for the zombies.
Oh, so there's a zombie there.
Yes, yes, the cry of
And
murdered.
and then what will happen?
You know what? Fight enemies,
Enemy?
unlock new weapons, explore new worlds.
Oh,
Sorry.
really?
And I also forgot it.
What?
Endings has deaths.
So is that like Roblox?
I almost die. Has death.
Ah, don't say bad words because it's not allowed to say bad words. Okay?
Okay.
Oh, and then thank you, ma'am. Gamer Zone. And then what else?
Job simulator.
Huh?
Job simulator.
Jobs what?
Job simulator.
Oh, what does that do? Is that a gun or something?
No, it's a VR.
VR? What's VR?
A virtual reality.
So do they put like goggles there like this?
Yeah, you actually choose one.
And then what will happen?
Office work.
And then
Office work.
oh don't
Restaurants. Stores, including mechanics.
and then what do they do?
Completing tasks.
Like what? Are they gonna clean the house?
No.
Build the city?
No.
What tasks are they going to do?
Working.
Working up.
Using computers. Yes.
And then they try to build a game or something?
No, they work here.
Oh,
They actually cook food,
cook foods.
fixing cars.
Oh, so it's like a community.
Yes.
Oh, so there's a church. There's a school.
No.
No. What?
There's
What
only
is?
4 locations.
Oh, okay. Explain what's the 4 location.
Office work.
Thank you, Ma'am Gamer Zone. Yan ang inaantay natin kanina pa.
Restaurant.
Ah. So what do they do there? Are they building cars, fixing things?
No, fixing a car. Replacing the old one is new. That's really.
And then what do
Or
they what do
actually
what
actually give money. Actually,
so what do they do with the car?
actually
The
get
car
some
that they are
things.
fixing.
Usually get some things,
Mhm.
made it and put in money in there.
Mhm.
And also the restaurant you actually cook, and when you're done, you actually serve the customers.
Shout out Akari. Thank you for coming, madam. They do what?
They're finally working. They're operating computers, for something else. They can actually clone anything in Job Simulator.
Really? They can clone?
You actually throw something instead. That one is actually annoying.
So if they want to make
The robots, actually something annoying.
or like if they want to make someone like you, they're going to clone you? Like CN1, CN2, CN3.
The bots.
Yeah, like the robot, like the name. Yeah.
The computer actually fly 2015.
Yeah, that's why I'm telling you. So if they want to make someone like you, they can make.
The bot coworker said, "Hey,
Oh.
coworker, can I give you a candy bar?" And that vending machine almost stopped.
So that's the story about it.
Yeah.
And then what happened? Pakwentuhan
At
natin
the
ng pakwentuhan ito
at the end of
pamangkin
the
ko.
day, after that,
So how do you
work, and in the end, they actually leave.
so you don't lose or you don't win in that game? You just play to make the community a good place?
Yes.
Ah.
Okay.
And then so like it's like Zian goes to the shop to work.
Oh, the player.
Yeah, like you go because you're the one playing the game. So Sian, like the game, it's the name of the character is Sian. Sian go to school or Sian go to work. Is that it? Huh? How is it like that?
So,
Explain again. Explain.